lunch and zipped it tight. But something sparkled in the light. My juice box gave a little hop, then shouted, "Time to juice and pop." It surfed on milk and zoomed on bread, slid down cheese hills on its head. My juice box flew with zero fear, shouting, "Adventure starts right here." It sailed across the pudding sea, with jelly beans as crew and me. We waved at carrots on a boat and built a raft with pancake float. It surfed on milk and zoomed on bread, slid down cheese hills on its head. My juice box laughed and twirled and spun. Adventure time has just begun. It danced with fruit cups in the breeze, did handstands on a stack of peas. It sang, "I may be boxed and sweet, but I've got juice inside my feet." We flew through space in celery cars and high-fived friendly catch-up stars. A sandwich moon said, "Nice to meet." We slid down mustard meteor streets. It surfed on milk and zoomed on bread, slid down cheese hills on its head. It zoomed past pickles playing drums, while broccoli strummed bubble gum. Now juice box sits back in my pack, winks and whispers, "I'll be back." So every lunch I smile